I'm setting up maybe the blindest of blind dates, and I am the matchmaker.
Laibach is a terrible rocker. In its music videos, uses pornography. This group is considered as neo-Nazi supporting Hitler style scenery and clothing. This band basically jokes and laughs about what they call dictatorships around the world, and their music is terrible. If Laibach did visit the DPRK, they would carry out the provocation and harm its socialist system. So, without trust, without confidence, we cannot invite you here.
We rise, we grow, we walk and we stand tall. We never fall, as big as the sky, as far as the dawn.